Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've got content selected. Now create the connection. Once selected, press Ctrl+K or CMD+K on Mac, or choose Insert Link to open the link dialog. Explain why. Linking keeps navigation fast and preserves layout without adding extra slides. Make sure to pick the correct target type: web URL for pages, email for mailto, file for external docs, slide for introdeck jumps. This early choice shapes how the link behaves later, so choose deliberately. Once the dialog is open, type the full URL including https:// to avoid browser warnings, or pick a slide number for internal navigation. If linking to a file, use a relative path when moving the deck. Absolute paths break on other machines. Add a screen tip to help users know what they'll open, and confirm the display text or image alt text so the link reads clearly. Make sure accessibility fields are filled for better navigation and screen reader clarity. Now test the behavior in slideshow mode. Click the linked object to verify it opens the intended destination. If linking to external files, save the presentation and use Save As to package files or maintain relative paths so links survive moving folders. If a link fails, check the URL prefix, https://, file path accuracy, and file permissions or firewall restrictions. If internal slide jumps misfire, reassign the slide target. If web pages redirect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.